The sun's getting ready to go down over the hill here soon. I just set up my spot where I'm gonna get a fire going and hang out for the evening. So it's time to go get some wood and get it started before it gets dark out here. I think the wheelbarrow is gonna have to stop here and just take a couple trips to carry the wood up. Finally, the last trip here. I just have to get the axe and then this grate that I cook on. Arlo's chasing a bird here. Check this out. Oh, he's close. I need to cut up some of this wood into smaller pieces first so it'll start. And my axe is pretty old and dull, so I need to put a new edge on it. You can see that nice reflective line of silver there. That's what I just took off to sharpen it up. Arlo chewed up a dog toy earlier and it had a bunch of this cotton in it, so I thought maybe it'd be a nice fire starter, so I'm gonna try it out here. Seems like we finally got a good fire going. Now it's just time to wait for some of the fire to go to coals, and then I'll set up this heat rack and get some steaks going. The fire's been going for about a half hour now. There's starting to be some nice coals in the bottom. I think there's a keyhole here where I can slide some out and start cooking, heating some water up at least. That's a beautiful sound right there. That's amazing. I'm glad I brought this insulated mug out here so it can stay warm for a while. Usually I just pour it in a cup and it's cold in a couple minutes. But this should stay warm for a while. Now it's time to get these steaks out of the package and put them on the fire. We'll season them up here with this Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. Snow just flew over here and I looked up and there's no trees above me. I turned around and Arlo's over here digging a hole. What's over here, boy? Well, that's not good. It's my hot chocolate. Seems like they were cooked well, not too done, but a little bit more than I'd like. They were cooked pretty good. There's like a crisp on the outside of them, probably from the flames being so hot, but pretty nice just for cooking them right here on the fire for sure. I can see perfectly fine out here since the moon's so full and bright tonight. This is the sort of things that I enjoy doing. Being outside, just messing around, creating something. I'm not an expert in anything, but I can have fun. I can figure it out. I can try to make a fire or cook a steak that's a little too burnt from Aldi's. That was only $7. So yeah, really just having fun with all this, even creating content. And me and my friend Blaine are going to be coming out with an outdoor clothing brand, hopefully in the next few weeks, but definitely in February for sure. So there's a lot of things that I do want to achieve and feel like I'm called to do, and I have a purpose to do certain things, but to be able to achieve any of that with the amount of work that I have to put in, it's going to require me to take one rest day a week. And the Bible even says that God took a rest day, and all throughout it, biblically it's called like a Sabbath, but all throughout the Bible it just kind of recommends to take a rest day. And so I'm going to take advantage of that, and it just seems like that's just what is going to be required, honestly. Well, I'm gonna hang out by the fire for just a little while longer. I've been up since 3:45 this morning. I had to go into the park to plow off a couple inches of snow that we got last night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe think of something that you enjoy and try it out on your next rest day. And yeah, just thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.